When someone gets their thumb tape, they don't necessarily want their wrist tape, and they don't want it to be super bulky. So we are going to do one anchor strip as close as we can to around the wrist to the hand. That's your anchor strip. Then we are going to do what's called a horseshoe. Okay, a horseshoe, we're going to crease it in the web space. We're going to put it down to our anchor. That's our horseshoe. Okay, through the web space to our anchor, both sides. Now what we're going to do is called, I'm following the packet. Now what we're going to do is called horizontal strips. It says use half strips. You can use whole strips. We are using this to cover the joint. Okay? We are trying to protect this metacarpal phalangeal joint, so we want that covered. Okay? So go high up. You're going to overlap by half. And now I have that joint covered. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to anchor these loose ends using another horseshoe. Like so. Like so. See how those loose ends are covered now from those horizontal strips? Okay. Now we're going to do what everybody gets confused about is the figure sixes. I would do this too on the left. I would do this on the left hand as well because it's easier. I'm going to have to switch hands. Okay. You start on, I think you start, who has the directions? I don't want to teach you the wrong way. Radial side. Okay, you're going to start radial side. You're going to go around. Okay, you're going to want to try and stay. You're going to round the 5th digit. You're going to go, it says cross the thenar eminence, which is your fat pad of your thumb. You're going to go wrap around the thumb. You're going to come back down. See how my X is right over that metacarpal phalangeal joint? And you're going to end right back down at your anchor because that's where you're going to cover the ends. So you want to do 2 to 3 of those. Okay? So radial side. Go around. Nope.
You're on the
up first. Nope. Which way to do it?
Isn't that the radial side?
See, this is why I don't like to do the right hand. Okay, radial side, because you switch doing what you're doing. Radial side, thenar eminence. Okay, I'm gonna go up a little bit higher this time, wrap around the thumb, and I'm gonna wrap down to my anchor. Like so. Okay, so that's 2. See how they're overlapped by half? You guys see that? Yeah. Dislocate your elbow. We can put it back into it. Okay, so 2 to 3. I'll go one more. Radial side. You want to make sure that you're not going up like this and creating a window. Okay, so stay along that edge. And you don't want to do this too tight. See how I'm pulling it off the roll and then I'm kind of going around the thumb? Because you don't want it too tight because that's where you're going to get loose circulation. And you're going to end right at the anchor. And then you're just going to close it off with one strip at the anchor. So you cover those loose ends from your figure sixes. See that? No windows? Questions? Make more sense? Tim taught you